this winter, for my entertainment and yours, we're gonna run a special contest that if you can come in the shop and change this tire faster without a blindfold than I can with a blindfold on, you'll win a Public Service Bicycle Works t-shirt. And if you wanna try to do it blindfolded and see if you can match or beat my time, we'll come up with a really good prize for you. So we're starting with the tire deflated. I'm gonna have to take the tube out, put the tube back in, and reinflate to 80 PSI, and that's when my time will be taken. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my blindfold, and I cannot see anything at all.
How many fingers?
2?
Nope. There's 3. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Not off to a great start. Tire tube out, tube going back in. All right, tire's on. Oh, and now I gotta find the valve. Get the pump on there. This is the tricky part. Gotta make sure we give it a quick check, make sure it's not coming off anywhere. And we're going. Whew.
126.36.
Not too bad. So come on by, see if you can beat my time. You don't have to wear the blindfold, and maybe you can win a t-shirt.